There's Max swimming. Jethro, you gonna get in? There's your puppy who likes the water. Jethro wades, Max swims. Not sure what the puppy's gonna do. Maybe a little playing. You can see I'm not a great movie taker. Trying to do the puppy, but he's following me. Max, are you having fun? Good. Jethro's still in the water. Yay! Okay, enough of this.